In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI Headshot to create a professional photo. So start by heading over to canva.com. Then next in the left panel, hover your mouse on More, then click on Apps. So here, look for AI Headshot, then click on the AI Headshot Maker. So here you can start using it in your existing design or use in a new design. Now here, choose your style like LinkedIn or for office, outdoor, and a lot more. Also make sure that you choose the gender. Then of course, upload your photo. Make sure that you use a well-lit image with a simple background for best results. And click on generate. Once done, you can add the generated image to your design. Lastly, do all the necessary adjustments that you want for your design. And that's how you can easily make a professional headshot photo using Canva AI. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!